Hey, fifth grade, it's Mrs. Capello coming at you live from my kitchen. I hope you guys are all having a good start to your week. I know that things are a lot different working from home and doing school at home, but hopefully this week we'll all get into the groove and it will feel just a little bit easier. So today is our first day of library, so welcome back. And I miss you guys a lot, but I'm excited to hopefully see some of you in Zoom this afternoon. That's completely optional. If you want to jump in and say, hey, I'll be there. If not, that's totally fine. But I wanted to show you your assignment for today. So some of you may be familiar with Epic Books. It's an online library of books that kids can access for free. And so I wanted to show that to you guys today in case you're not familiar. So this assignment called Logging Onto Epic will be in your stream when class starts, which is where all the assignments are posted, but it's still a work in progress right now, so that's why it's not on your stream. But when you click on the assignment, I like to give things in steps, so make sure you follow the steps. So step 1 is watching this video, which you're doing right now. And then step 2 is to go to this website called Get Epic. And this is our class code, so you'll type in HAH0828 and then click Go. And then you will see a list of a lot of names. That's because I put all my 4th, 5th, and 6th graders into Epic, so there is a lot of kids in here, which is fine. But you will have to scroll through and find your name. I know Ben Kitchen, there's 2 Benjamin K's because there's a Benjamin K in 6th grade as well. So this is yours, just so you know, it's the one with the orange background. So once you click on your name, I'll just use Aaliyah for example because she's been reading a lot. It will take you to a page that will be personalized for you with the more that you read. So what's really cool is they have some Epic books that were Epic originals, kind of like Netflix originals. And then once you start reading books, it'll pop up here for you to continue reading what you started. And then they also recommend books to you, which is nice. They have a huge comic section, which I know a lot of you guys are into graphic novels. Another nice feature is the Read to Me books. And some of these may seem like they're more for little kids, but if you click on the title and you hit play, it should read to you. So I don't know why it's not working right now, but it'll read it out loud to you. So that's a cool feature. And then they're always adding new books. There are videos as well if you're into watching videos. And then books that other kids are reading, popular series. So lots of good stuff on Epic. I really encourage you to take our library time today to look around the website and see if there's a book on there that you would like to read. They also do have audiobooks, which is if you just want to listen to the book, then you can do an audiobook. So they have a lot of good choices in audiobooks as well. You can also search if you have a particular author that you like, you can search up here. Epic does not have all of the authors in the world because that would be a lot, but they do have some really cool things. So make sure you check it out. One thing I do want to mention, and this was news to me last week when I tried this with 4th grade and 6th grade. If you want to continue using Epic out after our class today, you will need to send me your parents' email address so that I can send them an invite so you can use it at home. So I don't know why that's the way it is, but like I said, if you are interested in continuing to use Epic, just send me an email with your parents' email address. I will send them an invite and then they can get you set up to use it at home. Okay, so I think it lets you read for like a certain amount of time. And then once you use up that time, it asks you to enable access from home. So that is a free account. Does not cost any money. So that would be something that we could do if you're interested in continuing to use Epic. So after you explore Epic, you're going to go back. You will be doing this Epic exit ticket. It is only 3 questions. Well, one is your name, so that should be easy. And then one thing you like about Epic and one book that you are excited to read on Epic. So you'll submit that. And then if you still have time, when you finish the Google form, you can continue using Epic, or you can read a book that you have at home. So that is all for today. We will have class today is Monday, and then we'll have class on Wednesday and Friday this week as well. So I will be sharing more about what's to come, but I hope you guys are having a good day. And I will put the link for Zoom in here if you want to join the Zoom if you have a question or just want to say hi. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.